My name is Bhumika. Today, my team, Devyani, Agni, Vimla, and I are excited to present a revolutionary low-code no-code tool. Have you ever had an idea or an application but felt held back because you didn't know how to code? Lovable solves exactly that. It is an AI-powered browser-based platform that converts plain English prompts into production-ready, full-stack web applications. Absolutely no coding knowledge is required. It uses a concept called vibe coding. You just describe what you want and the AI automatically types the code, provisions the database and deploys the app. It handles everything under the hood using a modern tech stack like React, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, and Supabase. As you can see on the interface, the platform is incredibly clean and 100% browser-based, meaning there are no installations required. You simply type your idea directly into the central chat prompt to begin. Getting started is seamless. You create a free account, describe your app, and the AI generates your entire front-end and back-end automatically. From there, you can easily iterate on the design by chatting with the AI to add features or fix bugs, and then instantly publish a live URL with just one click. You can literally go from a simple prompt to a fully developed and deployed app in under 60 seconds, writing 0 lines of code manually. Now I will pass it over to the rest of the team.
Features of Lovable are AI code generation, auto backend, live preview, GitHub sync, security, one-click deployment, UI component library, and communicational editing. So, Lovable can generate code using AI just by simple instructions. It automatically creates the backend like database, gives live preview on the app, and allow one-click deployment. It also provides built-in UI components and let us edit the app just by chatting. Writing a better script and prompt is very important in these low-code and no-code apps and software. The quality of app depends on how you give the instruction. Good prompts are clear, simple, and detailed, like mandatory features, layout, and data. Bad prompts are too boring, like saying make an app without detailing. So, better prompting gives better results. Automation characteristics. Repetitive task automation, rule-based processing, minimal human interaction, speed and consistency, and scalability. In Lovable, automation repetitive tasks like coding and deployment, it follow a fixed rule, require very little human effect, and work fast with consistent results. It will allow stable, meaning it can handle small to large application easily. So we save time in integration with tools like React, Supabase, GitHub, and Script. And data input can be from file, forms, or APIs. The system processes this using AI and backend logics. And the output in the final app, sorted data, and the live deployed website. Overall, it shows input, processing, and output. These are the workflow.
I am Premla Mishra and I will be covering applications and demonstration in Lovable. Starting with DevOps. DevOps is a set of practices that combine software development and IT operations to shorten the development lifecycle and to deliver high-quality software with more reliability. This slide explains how DevOps automatically works in Lovable. Continuous integration, where every prompt triggers automatic code rebuilds and integration. AI handles merges, checks errors, and ensures coding standards are followed. Continuous delivery, where accepted changes are deployed automatically to a live URL with zero manual setup. Even rollback can be done through chat. Infrastructure as code, where databases, authentication, storage, and security rules are created directly from natural language prompts. Lastly, Monitoring and feedback, where AI detects runtime errors in real time, shows logs, and helps fix bugs instantly. All of this is done via prompts, but prompt engineering is a very essential aspect and it totally depends on us. The better prompt we give, the better output. This slide explains the concept of vibe coding. Instead of writing code line by line, we describe the app in natural language. The user has a clear picture of requirements and what is to be delivered in mind. The intent is clearly described in the prompt. The LLM understands the requirements, features, and database needs. Lovable generates the front-end code, back-end schema, and security rules automatically. It also performs self-validation by checking errors and fixing them before showing the output. Finally, the app is deployed with a live preview and published URL. This makes development much faster because we focus on ideas while AI handles the implementation. Again, it totally depends on how good the prompt is, and to some extent manual testing is also required to make sure all the background check done by the AI is actually correct. To demonstrate, we have made a leave application portal. It is a simple web application with simple features demonstrating student login, leave applications, request forms, and the status. This saves time, reduces paperwork, is simple, fast, and easy to manage with efficient university documentation. In the leave application portal, we can either log in or sign up. I have already made an account, but we will sign up anyways. The student can enter the name here, the roll number, the department, This app is fully made via Lovable. It has authentication, it has access control because since I'm not the admin here, I cannot approve the leave yet. So as a student, I only have limited access to it. Meanwhile, the admin has better access. It does authentication via password and it saves it into the backend Supabase database where I can authenticate my password, and it also has the option that in case I forget my password, I can recover it. All my applications will be visible here, and once I log out, I can log in again using the same credentials.
And I will explain the testing, deployment, and limitations of our project. So let's see about testing. In Lovable, testing is very efficient because we get a live browser preview where every change is instantly visible without refreshing. If any runtime error occurs, the AI automatically detects it and suggests fixes in the chat. We can also perform prompt-driven debugging where we simply describe the issue in plain English and the AI identifies and resolves it. Additionally, we can export the code to GitHub and perform advanced testing if required. And the next part is that is deployment. In deployment in Lovable is fully automated and follows a simple pipeline. Once the user accepts the prompt, the system builds the application in the cloud, checks for the errors, and deploys it to a global CDN. Finally, a live URL is generated instantly, which makes the application accessible worldwide. This reduces the deployment time from the hours to just a few seconds. So the next part is that is limitations and considerations. Despite its advantages, Lovable has some limitations. The free version has strong usage limits and complex logic may require multiple refinements. It is highly dependent on Supabase, making migration difficult. Also, AI can sometimes generate incorrect or incomplete code. So testing is always important. Additionally, it supports only web applications and does not provide real-time multi-user editing. The last part of our presentation is about conclusion. To To conclude, Lovable is a powerful LCNC platform that is low-code, no-code platform that transforms natural language into full-stack application. It significantly reduces development time and effort, making it ideal for students, startups, and rapid prototyping. Overall, it represents a shift towards more accessible and faster software development.